Education Minister to launch Nipun Bharat today. Delhi High Court to hear doctors' plea against costs imposed for asking to postpone exam. BMC to start IB board schools in future, says Aditya Thackeray. Nidaan Kasauti exam 2021 in Gujarat to be conducted from July 10th. House panel to visit Kashmir and Ladakh to assess education during the pandemic. Eklavya schools to revolutionize education in tribal areas. AKTU to admit MBA students based on UPCET 2021 score. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, will launch the National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy, that is Nipun Bharat, today, that is the 5th of July 2021. It will be launched virtually by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. A short video, anthem and implementation guidelines on Nipun Bharat will also be launched during this program. Senior officers from the School Education Department from all states and UTs, senior officials from the department and heads of institutions will also attend the event. The vision of Nipun Bharat mission is to create an enabling environment to ensure universal acquisition of foundational literacy and numeracy so that every child achieves the desired learning competencies in reading, writing and numeracy by the end of grade 3 by 2026 to 27. It will be implemented by the Department of School Education and Literacy, and a 5-tier implementation mechanism will be set up at the national, state, district, block school level in all states and UTs under the aegis of the centrally sponsored scheme of Samagra Shiksha. The Delhi High Court on Friday said it will on July 12th hear a plea by doctors challenging the imposition of cost and certain adverse observations made by the court while dismissing their petition seeking to postpone the Foreign Medical Graduate Examination, that is FMGE, screening test due to the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the country. A vacation bench of Justices C. Harishankar and Subramaniam Prasad said there was no justification for taking up the matter now and listed it before the roster bench on July 12th. You are only challenging the costs and adverse observations. Let it come before the roster bench, the court said. Petitioner, the Association of MD Physicians, has filed an appeal challenging a single judge's June 11th order imposing a cost of Rs 25,000 and making certain remarks while dismissing the petition seeking to postpone the exam, which was scheduled for June 18th. The Maharashtra Environment Minister Aditya Thackeray on Friday said International Baccalaureate or IB board schools would be started by the BMC in the future and students would be provided free education in such facilities. He also said that the BMC would start one CBSE and one ICSE school in each of the 24 administrative wards under it. Thackeray on Friday inaugurated the BMC's new school with a capacity of 400 students under the CBSE board in Azizbagh in the eastern part of the metropolis. He said that the opening of the school was a dream come true for him, adding that over 2,000 applications have been received for the 400 seats it has. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has released the schedule for conducting the Nidaan Kasauti exam for classes 9, 10 and 12. According to the statement issued by the board, the Nidaan Kasauti examination to assess the learning loss due to the COVID-19 pandemic will be conducted from July 10th to July 12th, 2021. Students can download the full schedule for the exam from the GSH-SEB official website, that is gseb.org. The question papers will be sent to the DEO by the board on July 7th. The board will upload the question papers on the official websites, and the school principal will be given a protected file of question papers by the SPC conveners, after which students will give one test daily from July 10th to 15th. The answer book written by the student has to be returned on 15th and 16th July, while the subject-wise result has to be prepared by July 30th, 2021. The Standing Committee of Parliament on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports, headed by veteran BJP leader Vinay Sahasrabudhe, will visit Kashmir and Ladakh. The committee will assess the problems faced in schools, universities and other educational institutions during the pandemic and the lockdown, especially the learning gap and digital divide. The panel is also likely to hear complaints from students, teachers and parents on the situation of education after the annulment of Article 370. Union Minister Arjun Munda on Saturday said that Eklavya Model Residential Schools, that is EMRS, will revolutionize education in tribal-dominated areas of the country, as children of the community will be provided with the best modern education in those institutes. All the EMRS would be developed on par with Navodaya Vidyalayas, he said. EMRS started in the year 1997 to 1998 to impart quality education to ST children in remote areas in order to enable them to avail of opportunities in high and professional educational courses and get employment in various sectors. The schools don't only focus on academic education but also on the all-round development of the students. Munda said that in the Union Budget of 2018 to 2019, the government had announced that by the year 2022, every block with more than 50 population, ST population, and at least 20,000 tribal people will have an EMRS. It has been decided to establish 462 such schools across the country by 2022. The Uttar Pradesh Common Entrance Test, that is UPCET 2021 score, will also be acceptable for admission to the MBA program of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, as per the National Testing Agency. The admission to the MBA program of AKTU is based on the score obtained by a candidate in the Common Management Admission Test, that is CMAT, conducted by the NTA. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic this year, many candidates were not able to appear for the CMAT 2021. Therefore, citing the plea of many candidates, NTA has now allowed students with any one of the scores, either CMAT 2021 or UPCET 2021 score, to be eligible for admission to the MBA program of AKTU. The official notification read, to ensure larger participation and to provide relief to aspirants who could not appear in CMAT 2021, it has now been decided by AKTU that Uttar Pradesh Common Entrance Test 2021 score will also be used for admission to the MBA program. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.